So hello guys, Rose, Rose here. So so we so I'm gonna teach you how to make a petition on Windows 10. So I will show you what version my PC is currently running on. Then I am showing you, because many will say I'm running on. So let's go to update and security. So my Windows, see here is Windows 10. I am currently running on Windows 10. Now let's go to you have to find my PC or this PC. If it depends on your laptop and computer, and just search my PC, then it will come this PC or my PC only. It can you can do it on Windows 8 also. Then go to manage, then go to disk management. Wait, and see, I have OS C. This is my C drive, okay, and this is my petition drive. See, here is this is my one petition drive. Now I will make the petition drive. Now let's make it full screen. Now you have to click on right click on it and go to shrink volume. It's queuing volume for available string space. Please wait, it will take time, and let's see how much time does it takes. It will take time as 5 minutes or 10 minutes as your computer speeds, your RAM speeds, or what is called hard drive speed. So let's wait. Now here is the amount. Enter the amount to shrink in MBs. You have to shrink. You have to enter the amount that you want the petition to be. Means if you want 64 GB, you have to put 64. I am showing you, like I need 64 64,000. Okay, 64,000 will be 1000 MB will be 64 GB. Now you want 100 GB, it will be same, like 100,000. Let me check. Yes, 100,000 will be the GB, or just find out how much will be. I want just 64,000. Okay, now shrink. It will shrink. After that, the C drive, it will be shrink to this size. Mean I have 1 terabyte, and this is the 1 terabyte hard drive. This is 84.76 GB. Okay, it is the size, and it will shrink to something like this. And I will put the conversion how to convert the. Now I will ask Google also, so Google can say Hey Google, how much is 64 GB in MB?
64 gigabytes is equal to 64,000 megabytes.
Okay, now I will tell 100 GB in MB.
100 gigabytes is equal to 100,000 megabytes.
Okay, you got it. Now I will string this 100,000 in 1 lakh megabytes. Okay, for Indians it's 1 lakh megabytes. For American and other country people it's 100,000. So let's see, it will take some time. Okay, it happened. This is unallocated, means it is not fully ready. Now you have to right click it and new simple volume. Go to new simple volume. Next you have to do it. Here is the new simple volume, here it is. Now next, it's showing E. I have already D drive, now it's showing E drive. So yes, I will go with E. It's pogs, it's very poggers. So next, now what will I name it? Let's see next video. Okay, okay. Next video will be this. Okay, I will show you how to get another OS running on, like Android OS running on this system, your poor 4 GB system. Now here it is. So here is everything. Now finish. Now it's formatting. Please wait, and it is now a E drive, healthy primary drive. Now it is empty. Okay, it's showing E drive. Now this comes PC. Okay, here is the OS. Okay, and here is 64 GB and 64 GB. Here you got that Petition. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and see you later next time. See you later in the next video. Bye bye.